How we doing today, boys? How we doing today? This fine young morning. Wake up! Son, wake up! Okay, it's pre-market. I already took a trade. I've already taken a trade again. This trade that wasn't necessarily bad, but the management on it was awful. My management on this position was horrid. And so I'm kind of at the point right now to where I'm on a demo account. I want to be being a little bit more aggressive with my demo account. I want to be a little bit more aggressive with the demo account, and I want to I still want to be risking consistently, and that's what I did not do today, and that's why I say this was a horrid management. But kind of gonna go into the charts. Here's exactly what I'm looking at on the daily. On NQ, we came back and rebalanced, kind of just in this imbalance. It's obviously a huge imbalance. We're leaving all this liquidity down here. We have this low nestled in this fair value gap. We are definitely coming back here at a point, but I think now we need to rebalance into this. We need to take this before then heading lower, and that's kind of where I'm at. We have this 1 hour imbalance that we're really respecting. Look at this. We are really respecting, and this is kind of what I took my trade off of. If we look on the 5 minute, we all have all this liquidity. What would have made this a better trade would have been that we had SMT at the low, but we never did. So I'm not and I'm NQ was ES was kind of doing the same thing. We had all this liquidity come down. We have news. So I originally entered. It's good, AZ. I originally entered pre-market like right here, and then my stop I ended up moving to right here, so I got stopped out on the stop rate. And obviously my target was all the way up on buy side, which this is when my management was just horrid. Horrid. I should have had my stop at this low, and this trade still should have been on originally. Like this is a good trade. We have all this stacked liquidity. We're getting a bounce up, but I see us making we're failing to break this low. And then once I see this though, I see the stop rate, and I see this re-enter off of this inverse. That is when I re-enter. This is the ideal entry right here. This is the ideal entry off of this. Stop at this low or this low, and then all the way up to buy side. Say here. I mean, this is a pretty good trade, but bro, I was like, keep on managing my position, and then I ended up like stopping out like right around here, right around like break even. I'll show you guys the position on Tradebait. Yo, I think I'm gonna go live with no audio or face, bro. You're gonna go live in class. That is crazy. Yeah, but this is kind of the orders. So I had that one buy here, and then I got stopped out on the stop rate. I had my stop really loose, and this was the stop rate before then going higher. I kind of took this trade like right at news, bro. Like, do you not have like a teacher, or is it study hall? But as you can see, total P&L, 80 cents. But I don't know how my equity is already back up to study hall. I used to have that. It was like my off hour to where I could go home, but I didn't want to go home so that I could trade at school. But I wasn't really trading, bro. I was not really trading. I'm gonna actually reset this account, because I don't know where I got like $800 from. What's this? Oh, you can. Bro, this is like some gambling stuff. You can set your daily profit. Like, bro, if you need this, if you need this risk settings, then I don't think you're that serious about trading. If you need to have risk settings, I don't think you're that serious about this. But yeah, so I think we're gonna head up to buy side, and this was kind of the us purging stops here, then getting that push up. That's what I was looking at. But why this wasn't a good trade because like this is like right before news drops. This is right before news drops. I should have waited for like this stop rate. That's beautiful off that inverse. That's a good trade. And honestly, like if I even just like take a long off this inverse, stop here and then just target. Oh, we never even got there. And I also did add too many contracts. I had 3 contracts. I should only have 1. Prop firm I use has 1K daily loss limit and 2K total loss limit for a 50. Total 1K daily loss limit and then prop firm. So it's only 50 a month. $50 a month. Profit target 3,000. Traders pay a one-time. So you have to pay a $150 activation fee upon passing. Become funded. Multiple accounts. Simple payout policy. You just have 5 winning days of $200 to earn your payout. Expect your earnings quickly. We process payouts daily. One-on-one coaching. Where's their payouts? How it works. What is the trading combine? All the trading plan, real maximum objectives. How much do you get paid out though? Does it depend on your account? Hell. Okay, market's about to open. You can get paid out 50% of your total profits until you've had the account for like 3 to. Okay. Maybe that might be. Hold up, I'm plugging. I'm plugging. Then so after 3 to 6 months you can get 100% of the, like 100%. Babe. All right. Got But you have certain profit targets every day is what I'm hearing. And market just opened with this beautiful. Is that if that's an SMT, that might be a turtle soup. Why is ES chart so? This could be that soup setup. We have that higher time from PD array, turtle soup, SMT, right on that. Get bought up to buy side. At open, that manipulation. Now, like you get 2 days 1,000, and then you can just go for payout and scalp 200 each until 5, and you get a payout. Now, like say you get 2 days 1,000, then you can just go for a payout and scalp until 5, and you get a payout. I don't really understand. So you're able to. So once you pass the combine, I get that there's like a challenge you have to pass. Is that what the combine is? ES is not really moving here. ES is not budging. I want to see like fair value gap. Yes, combine. Lisa. Okay, we ain't getting that. We're forming a breaker here. Yeah, 100%. I'm not trading this unless if like we get a move up, but ES is probably gonna take that low now. So no longer have SMT, so my long opportunity is no longer that valid. Now ES is dropping off and NQ is not really doing anything. You joking? You kidding me? Yeah, I definitely need to see a lot more for him. If we look on ES is looking a lot more bearish, whereas NQ is looking a little more bullish. ES just took the liquidity on the equal lows. Yeah, those. So this is an inverse. I'm gonna get rid of that just because that's not really anything. I don't like having too many like imbalances marked out. But look, this is looking like low resistance in my opinion. So yes, I think the draw is likely this low. And this level right here, this is the midnight opening price on NQ, and we also have order block in there. So that's why I was like, I guess you could say like longs are kind of, if I'm looking at the daily chart, like this is already a pretty decent move to the upside over in our overnight London session. And then we have this low nestled in this liquidity. I mean this imbalance. Sorry, I can't speak. But I think that we might target here. I think I want to be dumb clear. I want to be very very clear for me. Well, like I said a little bit earlier, I'm not opposed to just firing off trades, but I'm not taking a trade to take a trade. Like I am on demo, so that means I have the freedom to take more trades. I kind of want to be a little bit more aggressive with it, but I don't want it to get like a little bit dysfunctional to where like I think I need to be in a trade because that's just building bad habits. This is a 1 hour bullish imbalance. The structure isn't very pretty, but we're gonna hit some push-ups while we're reading. Got a lot of. I'd rather wait for a good setup than just take a trade to have data. 100%. But so like, I don't know. I'm kind of because like, for me, where I'm at, I think it is valid for me to be taking trades to collect data, journal it, go over it. A part of that I can just be back testing. Yeah, ES is probably gonna reach to this low. We have internal low right here. Let's see what happens, my boy. Let's see what happens. About to hit that order block on the higher time frame on ES. ESPN or no NQ. 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 Disrespecting that bullish imbalance. It's good, Nicholas. Dominic got beta beast. Just dumping off that. Consumer confidence at 8. I'm going to wait for that. Foot on it. Good. Good. Right now, we are range bound. We are range bound. We have yet to. So we established this high, and we're within this. On NQ at least. ES is looking a little more bearish. Alright, hold up. I can't look at the one. I need to take this off. Everything has stood on it. Yeah, we're in that. Now look at the daily candle. Now it is a doji. We're at that midnight opening price. So if I'm bullish around here, would be a good time to look to long. Just swept liquidity here. We'll see. We'll wait. We still got news in 15 minutes. Dude, the market's already been open for 13 minutes? 14 minutes? Ain't no way. Yeah, this is a huge 15-minute candle. I haven't even looked at earnings. Lowe's. It's like one of my dad's favorite stores. Snow. Monster, bro. Please don't tell me y'all drink Monsters. Monster's like poison, bro. Let's do this. I know that. Yeah, I want to have decent sperm cells, bro. I feel like I'm in a limo. Too much money for my job. I know she's proud now. I'm always gonna go hard and let it go hard no matter what. Okay, we just swept internal on ES. Getting a decent size move up. Still no trade. I need to see more to confirm that we actually want to go higher. I had bullish bias going into today. We're kind of right at that opening price, right around that. I definitely need to see more for me to be in a trade. We did leave all this liquidity up here, which I thought we were gonna go pre-market. It never ended up, and then on NQ we have all this resting above here. We also have stuff resting below. So like where we're at right now in the charts, for me personally, like I need to see a sense of direction because this is just the market trapping in traders. We're just trapping in traders within here. You just walk away. Okay. Lock in, watch we go. We still got 10 minutes. 10 minutes till consumer confidence. We had FOMC members speak. FOMC members speaking. Government shutdown deadline Friday. Definitely waiting for consumer confidence. Other than that, like after that, we got the green light. Tomorrow we have GDP. That's really it. And then we have CPE unemployment claims. So we have a bunch of little bit news. So for me, bro, this week is a green light. Next week though, we have another no news Monday, so that's something to look out for. PMI green light on that day, and then we actually have Powell speaking. So this will be interesting day. So and we have non-farm employment. Yeah, this will be interesting week. And then we have Powell speaking again. And then, yeah, we have NFP week. So next week, or 2 weeks from now, I don't know why I'm looking at this, but I don't know. Mark it on your calendar. What's good, Limitless? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I think I need to see more, and I need to see that news open up. I need to see more structure get formed. But by the looks of this, it looks like we're heading towards this low. But like I've been saying, like it just isn't as appealing because we're just stuck within this range we made. We've yet to take the high or the low of this range. I'm gonna turn off my music. Gotta get truly locked in, I guess. What's good, Cody? How you doing, brother? My brother in Christ. Bro, my hamstrings are like, I think he was saying pre-market low, break and retest. What he's looking at. Seven minutes. 7 minutes. I don't think he's actually in a trade. I think he was just saying that he was looking at. Let me scroll up. I don't know. I can't really see. I need to get a haircut. I don't see any confluences for anything right now. Got sell off at open. Why do I have this marked out? Huh. 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 4 minutes 40 seconds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wait today for me to. I say this like every day, but there's not really any action like straight off of PM or AM session. Was there a possible? Ooh, but we didn't. With this high, we didn't really take buy side yet. So, I mean, I guess we have displacement lower, pop back in the 5 minute fair value gap, and then short. Are you applying your checklist? I haven't looked at it today. I don't. I mean, I guess I'll try it, but I don't think I really. Hold up. Oh yeah, go watch this video if you haven't already. I mean, you don't have to, but it's on my YouTube. It's like it was like a live stream. I'm gonna start doing these instead of aftermarket sessions. I'm gonna do my trading transformation. So I think it'll be a lot better and a lot more structured towards me. And then I'm still trying to figure things out. I kind of want to do webinars, but I also don't know. I don't know because I'm not in a position for me to give value to the community. So I don't know how I feel about that, especially. Oh my! Wow, I wasn't supposed to do that. That was my upload for today. That's crazy. That was my upload for today. I just deleted. Okay. What was I? I was gonna look at the checklist. All right. First time trying out futures on this side with demo, and I gotta say it's interesting. Why did you make it if not use it? I would go long here, but I have to force myself not to trade because of just news and stuff. I agree. I think you should make bids on what you're trying to learn about in trading. I mean, honestly, I don't think anyone got a good long entry and I accidentally closed for break even. Were you in around here? Probably close right here. That would be my guess. Or right, obviously right here. Bro, Eddie, I actually took longs this morning, and I don't know, my management on this position wasn't very good, and I got stopped out first, and then I re-entered, and it wasn't like a worse setup, but we never ended up going to buy side. So, ooh, I actually have an order I need to cancel. Being a trade during significant news. I don't think anyone should be having a trade. See, this morning I was in a trade right before news. Before I got in right here, news was at 8:30, so 8:30 Eastern. So I don't know. I don't know why I did that. But someone else need a journal. Well, I'm not comfortable with putting my stop at lows because it's like 30 handles. News short stop would probably get hit. So I don't know. I don't know how this news moves. This is crazy. I wanna journal what happens here because a lot of the times, like we get a big move down and then we kind of slowly chop up. So I'm going to journal, like what we do here. I got. And news is scooping up. I would like to see us head towards buy side, but I'm not gonna trade off news. How do you determine if the news is bullish or bearish? Because isn't this like actual greater than forecast is good for currency? So this would be bad for currency, so it'd be good for SPY. Can't watch a lot today. Really busy at work, but keep grinding. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. If your system doesn't at least consider the news, I think you're missing out. Yeah, you should definitely know what the news is, because when I used to trade, I didn't know what news was. So, with that being said, like a lot of the time, I would like take a trade, like 20 minutes in the market open, and I'd be holding during news. I guess I never realized it, like what news was. I was like, what? There's news? That affects. I was trading that Nvidia, Tesla Nvidia, takes me back. Only the first candle is from actual news. Everything after that is just where the algorithm wants to reprice. Yeah. Yeah, the DXY is, I think they move inversely. I should start looking at the DXY. I don't ever really pay attention to it. Yeah, they do move inversely. I have meta. I need to clean this up too. Like, I don't need all this crap. What is this? I see. Just wondering. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we dug right into that order block. Yeah, so we just put in a high. We have all this resting buy side now. So let us see. I'm holding long, small size. If you're bullish, you don't necessarily want us to just you don't want us to run this to the downside. I kind of want to see us kind of like hold this for a second. Maybe like chop in here. We don't necessarily have to, but that'd be a good thing to see. And we're kind of just running it. Now we have BPR. But I don't think we're going to create it. Should we the top there? Nice. Nice. 2-2. Sir. Market isn't being as concise of where we want to go. Like we're kind of like going one way. I'd like to see us like take some form of liquidity. I mean, I guess we did take this internal low. Yeah. Alright. Let me lock it in. ES is. Are those equal lows on ES? Yeah, we created equal lows. Likely gonna head lower on ES. Likely to head lower. Maybe not right this second, but we're likely to head lower on ES. I mean, I need to have a reasoning to enter short. But we're likely to head towards these lows at some point. Because I know that equal lows in the market are going to act as a magnet. Doesn't mean we're going to head there right now, right this minute. It just means that at some point in time, these are probably going to get revisited. Dog, is it raining? Oh, it's either snowing or hailing. If you think it's likely, why not enter? Because I'm only taking high quality setups. Like, I mean, I guess you could enter, but there's no need for me to chase the trade. There's no need to chase the trade. Plus, you also gotta think like if I were to short off this, there's no need to because we already took internal. So I really don't know what we're gonna do here. Yeah. Yellow Kodak on that beat. Yellow Kodak on that beat. 506 is just straight low and pre-market low. Spy in the 500s. Spy in the 500. The 500. So this is aftermarket. So this would be pre-market low. Right? 50603. Pre-market low is 505. 45. Today? 505, 45. Do I have the wrong chart? $505.45 at 1 a.m. I'm lost. Maybe going like the 5 minute. They're close enough. Okay. Interesting. 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 Big body bands, remember I used to be dusty. One of y'all hunters on hunters in the rush, please. Big body bands, remember I used to be dusty. Yeah, maybe it's the Trader Bait. Not Trader Bait, but big body bands, remember I used to be dusty. One of y'all hunters in the rush, please. Okay. Alright, let me log in. Chop City or accumulation? Look at this. Big body bands. Yeah, I don't know if I don't know if I'm gonna do the webinars honestly. But I wanna do like live streams on the weekends too. Big body bands, remember I used to be dusty. What do you wanna hundreds in the rush, please? I don't know who would have came out with white tees. I'll use pre-market levels after 6 Central Standard Time just because of the volume. Yeah. Because, I don't know, especially, that's why I don't really like looking at SPY. Like this, I don't even know what this is. Baby girl, what you doing? Hey, hey, hey. Alright. We don't have any news left. That was it. That was it. Bullish news. Confluence at least 3. Confident draw on liquidity. This is the most important. News is bearish on the day. How do you determine if it's bearish or bullish? Do you prefer swing trading than scalp trading? I've never really swung trade, so I guess I couldn't tell you. But I prefer scalping just because I'm able to find more opportunities within the markets. If you're scalping, you're gonna find more opportunity. How do I determine is bearish review the news? Oh, okay, so it's subjective to you. Okay. What do you want? Scalping is more stressful. Yeah. It kind of just depends on your personality, like how well you're able to handle stress. Like I'm able to handle. I feel like I have a higher stress tolerance. What do you want? Apple? Bro, Apple, like, don't be ever doing anything. Playing. Broke trend. The upside? I will say Apple's like one of my. I have a lot of Apple. I believe in Apple. Do I not have Tesla on here? I have to. 5 minute is what I'm at. I'll look at the 5 minute. I never really studied Apple. Ooh, this is actually a nice spy model. Uh, this is a gorgeous spy model by Apple. Hmm. Where is it? Low key, if we get like back in there. All in on 2450 calls on MRO oil until March 8th. Wish me luck. You're all in on your account. Got college. Wish you luck today. Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. And maybe it's only breaking on lower time frames, but I got rejected out of that zone. I don't know, bro. If you're all in on a position, chances are that position might go against you. That's crazy. The only way to learn is put your whole account on the line. That's true. Full price Tuesday because it's a week and a half contracts. I personally only like full pro Friday. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh, these aren't even equal. I don't know. I just don't see us like not taking out this buy side. Look at the chart, lol, and I'm not really all in. Friday is the magic day, true. Wait, you're on full port on. Bro, you should. I mean, honestly, MRO. Marathon Oil Corporation. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bad chart, honestly. I don't know anything about oil, but actually, doesn't look like a bad chart. Got some displacement higher. All this generated buy side. Not too shabby. Ah! I'm gonna start. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to start learning about leaps. I feel like that's a lot more technical analysis. But I don't think it's worth it to try and like learn two different things. MRO. Why is the chat sus all of a sudden? This market's lame. I mean, depends how you look at it. I would say this market's pretty chill. Alright. And NQ's chill like that. Can't find anything that. I mean, it's more trading's lame, honestly. Trading's a pretty lame thing, honestly. Like half the time you're waiting for a setup to form. Like 95% of trading is you not in a trade, or I would say like even 99. Bro, what stock is that? This is NQ. It's a futures contract. What is IBIT? Bro, there's so much I don't know. Is it ETF for Bitcoin? Ooh, didn't it just get approved, too? That would make sense because the chart's only up since. Hell no, I don't trade crypto. It looks good to be true. Bitcoin pumping. I'm not going to the top. Being forced to hold out here. It has been. It's been going up crazy. Yeah, a lot of people talk about Bitcoin. I feel like, especially if you're able to read like market structure, like crypto ain't like a horrible endeavor. Like you either buy, I'm pretty sure you either buy the chop or sell the chop. Like just sell the chop here. It'll be up. You think Bitcoin finna crash? Looks really bullish to me. I would need to see like if I were looking at this and this would be like S&P. I think we'd run higher. But like if I were to be bearish on this and I were to see us reverse, I would need to see us like retreat, like get a big move down, come back, and then go short. Thoughts on PanW? Bro, I bought option calls I just held for a few weeks instead of day trading for losses, trying to read the charts. BTC is the only crypto. Every other crypto is dog crap, including Ethereum. Yeah, waiting. Colin has like $1 million in crypto or in Bitcoin. That's what I heard. Been trading since 2019. Longer than I've been alive. PNW. Palo Alto. Ooh, what is this? What is this? When one's up, the other is 2. When one's down, the other is 2. No? Nope. Do your research. Look at a chart of Ethereum price and Bitcoin. It's bleeding against Bitcoin. Also bought PXLW because they made a deal with Disney and checked their market cap 100 million. I set a target to $200 million market cap and price. God. Palo Alto. We did that in a day? That's crazy. I don't know. We just tap this inverse. I expect us to head towards buy side now. Tesla's forming a triangle. Best long term investments. SPY and I have a lot of SPY. I believe in SPY. Like if I'm investing in something long term, I'm gonna have SPY. You best believe. Tesla. See, I see this and I'm like, bro, this is low resistance. This is a low resistance liquidity, but I'm pretty sure that's what a descending triangle is. Wouldn't that be like this? To where then we break to the upside? Yo, what's good, Garrett? How you doing, my brother? Yeah, in my Roth IRA, I got SPY G, SPY Growth ETF, small cap 600 ETF. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I got some Tesla. My Tesla position is up 25%. You see that? 25%. 25%. I actually have taken a trade pre-market, but it's like a break even. Wasn't the best trades, but we'll kind of review that later. I agree, but why not just full port SPY in September or October? It's always bloodly. I mean, you could, but nothing's promised, bro. Just because it's happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen in the future. I mean, I guess you could. Pretty good. Hit a trade on NQ today. Nice, bro. Nice. Well, what trade was it, Garrett? Depending on the orientation of the triangle, it could be more bullish or bearish. Good S. You're going to be rich if you keep investing. The thing is, though, I don't have any income coming in, you know. What's the most percentage you have made on a day trade? Honestly, bro, hasn't been that crazy. I believe in you. I appreciate it. Red October. The most, because the thing is, bro, like when I used to trade, so like right now I'm not on account at all, but like all my trades, I used to have big losers and like not small win. I mean, I had big losers but not enough wins. But we can log into my Webull. Okay, let's do it. Let's log into my Webull. I want to show you guys. But I don't really trade on Webull anymore. Actually, no, I'll pull it up over here. I don't really want to leak anything, cause I don't know if I know there's some weird people out there. But basically, we can I can show you this. Why is it 100%? Hold up. I think it's on later. Why is it on Tesla? Hold on. I'm also gonna be looking at the charts here. Oh my god, there's a lot going on my screen right now. Cash account, played stupid games, win stupid prizes. Honestly, bro, I think that the key to investing, the key to winning in these markets, bro, is to have discipline. If you don't have discipline outside the markets, you won't have discipline inside the markets. What's your beef with day trading? I've got my notepad out in case you leak the password. Bro, I've leaked my phone number on a stream. Some dude like slid up and told me about it. I'm like, I'm not really tripping over my phone number. Like people get my phone number. I mean, like right now, like who's gonna see it? I doubt anyone's gonna be looking at my past streams. I love seeing the viewers increase over time, bro. I don't even look at my viewers. I don't even have my viewer count up. I couldn't tell you how many viewers I have. All I see is a chat, because that's not what I care about. Like I'll repeat it over and over, but like more viewers does not make you a better does not make me better. It is nice to see though. There are more people in the chat. It is really nice. I'm trying to show you guys, but account. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. This is more like gambling than investing, but best of luck to you. What is? Having an edge and having strict rules with that edge and placing risk determined on an edge. That doesn't really sound like gambling. It sounds like you tried and failed. Doesn't mean it's impossible. I agree that most days for dailies it's kind of luck, but there are also those setups. And sometimes the pre-market goes crazy. It's easy to go up. I mean, bro, if like trading is luck, then that means you're doing it wrong. That means you're trading just to take a trade. Like if you think it's luck, because like if I'm able to find something that repeats over and over again, and I'm able to place a bet kind of like on that setup to reoccur, then I want to call that luck. I mean, it is. I know a buddy who gambles for a living, usually makes 100, 200. Definitely think investing isn't dailies, are just more harder to read. I feel like, bro, I'm letting you know that you might get better results holding actual stocks. Further outs are easy to read, I'm saying. Yeah, 100%. I think there's more opportunity within, like, short, like, I mean, if you don't want to, bro, it's up to you, but I'm trying to master these markets, and I really think that there is a way to properly day trade. You just have to go about it right, because like it is going to take time, and it's a time thing. Like a lot of people try to just get quick results. Everyone wants quick results nowadays. Everyone does. Everyone wants like quick results in anything. So a lot of people will give up. I want to see everyone succeed 100%. Like I do want to see everyone succeed, but hopefully everyone does. I worked with a guy who had an 80% win rate at the casino last year. That is crazy. 80% win rate at the casino? Doing what? Hey man, it was good talking again today. I got a Spanish exam. I gotta go to. I'll see you later. Hey, have a good one, Garrett. Take care. I'll see you hopefully sometime soon. It's just gonna be a capital bleed. Not if you make money. And you guys gotta realize though, at least for me in the systems and styles that I trade, like I'm not really tripping about this. I'm not really tripping about me not taking a trade, because taking a trade like one day, 1 year, or I don't know. Take like day trading doesn't mean that you're taking a trade every single day. That's where a lot of people go wrong. Are you doing a prop firm challenge, bro? I actually might. I'm looking into the Top Step. I might actually, maybe later on. Maybe I'll start one in. I think April. I might start one. I might try a challenge. But for now, bro, I need to be on demo, 100%. Hi, I'm new to trading. Yo, what's good? I'll talk to you next week. Probably the MRO up if it's down, I'll disappear. I got class now. I'll see y'all. Good chatting. Have a good one, bro. Cash is a position. No money is lost in it. In a win. No money lost is a win. Yeah, 100%. Like if you're trading, if you're day trading and you're not losing money, like that is a win. Are you doing with real money then? Right now I am demo trading, so I'm doing paper accounts. So none of this is my real money that I trade with. Until I find my edge in the market. Like I'm in no rush to. I'm in no rush to at all. All right, brother, show me something. I didn't even do that. What platform do you use? There are laws that restrict 5-day trades. I use Tradeovate. Tradeovate does not have the PDT rule. I don't think Webull did either. I was able to place a lot of trades on Webull. I know Robinhood does. Thinkorswim, not if you have a cash account. I've been swing trading 1 to 3 days. You should try along with day trading. I'm not opposed, but I don't think it's right to like kind of go. I mean, I guess like I gotta look into it. But like maybe I'm taking a swing while I'm also in another position. I don't really mind that, honestly. Like, oh, we just retraced back where to. No, we didn't. Paper trading, you're smart, man. Don't lose real money. Listen to randoms on the internet, 100%. Like, you guys gotta realize that a lot of the stuff in the trading space, there's a lot of garbage out there. Yeah, 25K bank allows it. I love all trading time frames. Does the cash count? No margin yet. So I ask you, what you look in the market means what's your strategy? What's your top setup? My top setup, I'm still finding it. So I'm not gonna trade my own money if I don't even know like really what I'm looking for. I kind of like to take a trade based off confidence, and I'm looking for the draw and liquidity. That's my main thing. Where's my checklist? Where is it at? I swear I had it up. But I'll pull up my checklist. This is kind of what I look for. Is it here? Yeah. So I kind of made this yesterday on live stream. But like number one, I'm trying to be confident drawing liquidity. This is most important. So I'm like trying to figure where the draw is, and if I'm not confident in the draw and liquidity, then I'm not gonna trade. And I want to see displacement through a lower high. Particularly create a fair value gap, and that's where I get my entry. Also need to be looking at discount versus premium. I like to have an SMT in favor of draw. I don't need to have it. I like to trade breaker blocks, sometimes order block, and obviously I'm looking to take trades that align with the time frame. I trade one contract on MNQ and 2 contracts on MES. Either stop loss or take profit gets hit. If trade is heavy in green and the trade is invalid, if price reaches a certain point, then I'm able to move my stop loss up. However, I'm never able to push my stop loss back. Triple bottom on ES. So I will have a good week. Take a peep at Pawn if you can afford it. Bro, I'm actually going to start reading this book. Make economic sense. Here, let me give you a call before I dip out. Yeah, have a good day, bro. Take care. We just swept internal, and now we're just the 5 minute hasn't been very good. You guys have to, or at least I have to realize. You guys don't, because you guys trade differently. But I have to realize that, like I've been saying, we're really just within this range. We're really just within this range. We are really just range bound today. I got 2 Cubs and they're both nuts. How do you know if range bound or accumulation? I mean, if we're kind of like stuck within a range, that pretty much is accumulation. Like this is accumulation, but we're stuck within this range. That's how I see it. So doesn't accumulation mean once manipulation comes, you enter? I mean, you don't always have to enter, but ideally you would want to catch the distribution leg. So if there's accumulation and then we have manipulation, like if I'm taking a trade, I want to be in on this leg right here, this distribution leg. Like accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. Like this is a perfect example. And then we have manipulation, stopping out these traders. Before then, distributing where to the sell side level. Ooh, look, do we have a SMT at that? That's what I need to look. Where was this? Right here. No, we do not. But that is the turtle soup setup, I guess. That I didn't recognize. Remember, I don't worry about manipulation because yeah. Someone enter long, bro. No. Don't listen to Nicholas. Don't enter a trade to enter a trade. Even if Nicholas is in it. I'm trying to pull up Weeble. So it says, what was my max win on a day? How do I go to P&L? I'll just pull it up on my phone. I feel like that's easier. Oh, I actually have it. Here we go. Alright, so this is my first month. It's my first month. This is my first month. Wait. I lost 1K that quick. Oh yeah, I was up 500. So I was up 500. And then I lost a band like that. And then I come back, I'm like, bro, what am I doing? And then I'll lose another band. Like this is all decent though. Like for being new. But I'm just risking way too much here. Like I cannot afford $1,000 loss. And then it's kind of consistent. Like I have more green days than red days. 1K day loss. But like notice how I have 1K losses, but my max win throughout this whole month is $300. $500 a day win here, and then a 2.8K day loss. That's crazy. I don't know what my biggest win ever was. $500 win. Plus seven. Okay, so this. So this was like a swing. I held this because I was scared, and so I lost $900 a day, and then I held it, and then I won $700, and then $600, or seven. So I made like $700 on that position, and then I ended up going like 3 days in a row -1K, -1K. I think that was my biggest win, $700, which is crazy. Like even these days, bro. Like who do I think I am? And then this is just like my investments. I have like SPY now. Okay. Kind of looks like market structure is going to follow after yesterday's. What do we, possibly, possibly. Um. Right now we're just building structure for me to possibly take a trade. So I'm hands off on this. So I'm not personally taking anything right now. I feel like SPY's gonna rip. What makes you say that? So here's how I view the market. So we came down and we just took out this sell side low, and now we're just accumulating. We're building structure. So I want to see us come down to this low, and now we're just like, this is accumulation. We're failing to make higher highs. So I don't think that we're gonna go higher. We're failing to displace higher. We're failing to displace higher. We're failing to displace higher. So that tells me that sellers are kind of in control here. And Nicholas, you said okay. Is that kind of you said you took a. So we have an SMT divergence here. We have a bearish SMT right here. Kind of cuts through price action. Lower highs is always bearish. Okay, 100%. I took a win. No, I don't like losing. Looks like a bull flag. For the win, I don't like losing. We just rebounds back to that fair value gap. Whoa. Okay, that took a minute to load. I mean, honestly, bro, like nothing's really like clear to me on the 5 minute. Like recently, the 5 minute has just been disgusting to look at. Stop. Ooh. Oh, this is a breaker. Oh, bro, that's your corner setup. This is just lower. Yeah, that was a unicorn. See, the fact, like, I just need to get better at, like, seeing stuff in real time. It's easy to look back on it. It was right at news. Okay, I see. Have you taken a trade today, Joshua? The checklist shows in real. Well, I don't have a confident draw on liquidity, so I'm not going to take anything. And that's the number one thing I need to have on all my checklists. Because we already took sell side here, I could see us heading over to this sell side, but we're kind of like I've been saying, we're just in this range on the 15 minute. Now you have it, got it. I would wait till PM, kind of looking like buying liquidity, and then aren't very correlated. Yeah. Agree. Yeah, I think we'll have more opportunity in the PM session. I just haven't really seen opportunity to trade, and that's okay. Like it hasn't been crystal clear to me, so I'm not gonna trade. You could have took this for value gap to buy side, but sheesh, bro, I don't even. Take whatever for the win, I don't lie. Why are you doing push-ups? Cause I have to, bro. You an ICT person? Yeah, he trades a unicorn model, which you'll be like, what's a unicorn model? You're pretty much looking for a breaker block and a fair value gap. Tesla shorts, maybe if I see it. Oh yeah, what did Tesla do? Oh, would this have been a descending triangle fail? I would have been like, oh, this is the turtle soup setup right here. We have equal lows. Say whatever for the win. I don't like losing. Oh, I'm gonna turn up. Take whatever for the win. I don't like losing. London pre-market longs on ES or NQ? And what time frame? I would like to see it. I think the unicorn's a good model. ES. Hold up. Okay. London. I don't even know when London starts. Baker at 12:15 on 15-minute. 12:15. Breaker at 2 to 5 a.m. London is 2 to 5. New York? Oh, is it this? Okay. See, I'm still trying to target look at breakers better because like at least when I was watching like Justin, like he'll say like this is a breaker. Like sharp move up, sharp move down. But really a breaker is a run on stops. Then the breaker structure. It's this right here. Yeah, it's this right here. And then a bearish breaker is just flipped. So it would be I did. I watched like I watched a few of his videos. Wait. Hold up. Is this right? I'm pretty sure it is. You gotta run out stops, break a structure. So bearish would be a run on stops, break a structure, come back. It'd be that right there. You like him? Yeah, bro. His mic is so crisp. I feel like his mic, it's so nice. It's so like satisfying to hear. Yeah, I think that's good stuff. But I think it's kind of it's getting to a point to where, like I feel like I'm trying to watch too much, but I'm just trying to get more market experience. And like the more the better, but like I don't know, I kind of feel like it can be damaging to me as well. Like why not just have me just look for one thing that repeats over and over instead of like trying to look for like 5 different things. Yeah, but I thought he was decent. I thought he was good. So got that. Yeah, at this point, I'm just trying to stick with the unicorn. Yeah, that's valid. Ooh, this is. Anything? I would like to see it. Ooh, this might not be a bad long opportunity. We have SMTLOs. I would like to see it draw to this high. At least, like, this is just low hanging fruit for me. If we get some sort of displacement. Right now, we just don't have displacement. So, if we're looking at my checklist, confident draw, kind of SMT, yep. Displacement, we're waiting for a displacement. We are in a discount. We are in a very discount of this whole range. Because if we wanted to take this low, I feel like we already would have taken it. If we want to take that low, why didn't we take it within this move? Holding ES long. Yeah. If I get some displacement. If not, then probably no entry. Alright. Lock me in. Daily walk. Be back later. Alright, have a good one, bro. Have a good walk. Woo! Like this is just chop. I'm gonna come back in the PM looking for buy side liquidity or sell side to be taken before looking for a setup. Yeah, because like I realistically want to see either buy side or sell side get taken. We failed to take buy side here. We failed to take sell side here. So what does this entail? This means that we have a bunch of liquidity resting above here. We have a bunch of liquidity resting below in here. So and like the 5 minute is not telling me anything. Like especially if this candle closes like that. Let me look at like some. Yeah, looking like the regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. on. We really just consolidating 100%. Like, bro, what I'm saying though is like, obviously we're gonna come back and fill this gap at some point. But when does that happen? Like I would like to see displacement. Like this is where swinging wouldn't be bad. I'm definitely gonna look into because like I think we run this inverse, so we run this. Draw back into that. Use that as inverse. Where are we going? Sheesh. I don't know. All these. Alright, so we just took buyers out of the market. We have this gap. Buy side resting above here. Then we have this whole move to the upside, to the downside. So if we run this weekly, we do have these stacked equal highs up here too. If we run this, bro, that looks like a decent scenario. Weekly, we are very bullish on Intel. All this low resistance. We just made big displacement at outside. I would like to see us rebalance into this weekly. Right here. What else we have? Is that a breaker? Oh, we do have all this low resistance. Made a definite high here. Not gonna retest that. It's heading lower. Maybe head to here after filling in that weekly. Okay, if we came back, we created another equal low. Oh yeah, those are the two equal lows I was talking about earlier. We were likely to draw back towards those. Yeah, ES is looking very bearish. Like we're likely to drop towards there. I mean, this is what I just failed to realize. Like in a moment, bro, we just swept internal. Had to lower it. Now we got displacement through a low here. We haven't really created anything. 2 minute anything? Nope. I mean, I guess here, but we don't get displacement through a low. We still don't really have that much displacement. Like this is just chalk. Market is disrespectful moving this slow. Yeah, I mean, the thing with the market though is that like it's always gonna do this. I think it's just market conditions this time of the year, at least where we're at right now, aren't the greatest. So you gotta recognize, or at least I have to recognize that. Call it a day. It's moving as soon as you leave. Honestly, I don't know. I'm feeling some type of way. I'm feeling some type of way right now. I'm feeling some type of way right now. Yeah, either bro, I don't like this. None of this is A plus. So therefore, I could see this move lower, head lower to this sell side level. Bro, look at this 15 minute. Look at this 15 minute, y'all. Look at that 15 minute. I think it's kind of clear that ES wants to head towards this low. Get rid of that. But bro, there's just no entry here for me. And especially just looking at all these lows. I feel like if we do get a move to that low, it's gonna be very quick, very efficient. I think, in my opinion. I would like to see how we react once we get this. Bro, this just not look good. This does not look good. So I'm finna just like look at different stocks. It's hard to even do anything on this. I'm surprised we didn't take this buy side here. You're finna be disappointed with other stocks too. I'm just kind of just like messing around here. Ooh, we might. Oh, bro, low key. I kind of wanna. Should I do it, y'all? I might get. Wait, hold up. I'm a finesse a free trial here. I'm gonna do that in a minute. I don't want to. Like look, just you can't tell me though that like equilibrium ain't work. Just look right where we retrace back into. Look where we rebalance right into. Equilibrium. Come back up. We create this this high, and then what do we do? Take sell side here. Don't quite sweep internal, but then we get displacement up. Ooh, this is nice too. Once we run this, we run it. Then we come back in. What do we do? Come back in, pop up to the upside, and then I honestly don't know why we didn't run to this high. I mean, we still are probably, but we're just generating buy side up here. Yo, I'm back up $90 and it's only at 24. Not even my strike price of 24.50. I just get lost when theta burn, but I think it's gonna keep rising for at least a week with my contracts. You were looking at. Oh, I already had it. This actually looks pretty bullish. Came back down where? In that order block, just swept sell side. Kind of this order block. Yeah, bro, this looks really nice. I would like to see. I think this personally is probably gonna happen. We get something like that. That looks decent. I'm thinking I sell this week though, or maybe fully until the 8th. We'll see. Bro, I would hold. Yeah, it's a slow baby, but she moving. Hold up. Trying to pull. Low key, bro. Should I buy? Just like a 52. Like, so these are weekly candles. So, like 143 days. Oh, bro, these contracts aren't even that bad. Uh, what even is this? Oil? I don't know. I feel like that's kind of gambling. Okay. Oil usually follows the X of whatever oil company that's $100. Okay. Gold. Okay, I'm gonna look at gold and the dollar, but first, look at this though. This is if there's S&T at this. Ooh, this actually looks like a good buy opportunity. Look at all these stacked lows. Low resistance up here. If this gets ran, and we tap the inverse, I would look to enter. If it gets ran and we tap the inverse. But we never ran it. All right, I'm setting a buy order. If I get tapped, I get tapped. This looks decent. For what? 24. What are you talking about, Joseph? Are you talking about MRO? Oh, you're good. I don't know. I honestly couldn't really say. Did I get tapped? Yeah, I got tapped. Stop at this low. Taking it to buy side. Let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. That's the turtle soup entry. Very low resistance. Look at that. Taking the buy. Taking the buy. Off the inverse. Now we see. Hold up. Alright, hold up, sorry, y'all. October, November. Let's play for December, January. Yeah, we just broke through that to the downside. I'll probably get stopped. I play for December. January. February. March. April. I got stopped. February, March, April. All right. What is it? It's about to be. So I gotta pay for. Wait, hold up. So, April. Alright. This could be the Turtle Soup setup, bro. Oh my gosh. That was too early. That was premature. Hold up, y'all. I got some. Search calendar. April, May, June, July, August. This was Ixik. Yeah. This might be a good time to stop. Head over the charts. February. Two cons? Hold up. Go MRO, go up. Bro, it seems like you're gambling here. Yeah, bro. None of the charts look appealing. I'm a journalist real quick. Yeah. All right. OneNote. Let's pull up OneNote. Insert. I tried to go to the Turtle Soup setup here. It was not valid, and I am going to tell you why. At first, it did look valid. But the whole point of setup is to buy the stops of other traders, and there was no SMT when I took this, so this was not valid at all. I took an inverse fair value up and targeted buy side. What I will do better. Don't turtle soups require an SMT. There was no SMT. It is not a good buy at all. I need because I'm thinking like, bro, I can take as many trades as I want, but realistically, bro, I need to quit. But now we have SMT. Now we just took all these buyers out of the market. Now it would be different. Now it would be different, but I'm not. I didn't take it right now. Alright, hold up. May, June, July, August. All right, hold up. We're cool now. We're cool now. We're cool now. Low key, I'm. Oh, hold up. Do y'all want my credit card information? Do you guys want my credit card information? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I got a Discover credit card. Sorry, I just had to pay someone for the gym because I'm on someone's family plan. And, okay, now it could be the turtle soup setup. Now we kind of have some displacement here. I'm gonna go to Walmart with your card. I don't have any money. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna try this again. Just wait until I got $2 million in my bank. I don't know about that, my brother. I don't want to be in debt. I know all debt isn't bad, but I have zero debt to my name. Look at all this low resistance liquidity though. Not being in debt is a scam. Bro, what? Oh, what are you in debt for? That was manipulation. I just got filled. Notice how that candle happened very fast. Our entire U.S. is the biggest debt ever, and look at the U.S. We chilling. Yeah, but why do I need to be in debt? Why would I want to be in debt? Too. How much debt do you have, Nicholas? Or is that too personal? But like, bro, like, being on someone's family, yeah, I just paid him like $300. I have more assets than I do debt. I mean, it's not crazy because Lifetime's like $80 a month, but now it's $25 a month. Lifetime is $25 a month, and I just haven't really paid him, and I feel bad. I feel bad because I haven't paid him for like over a year. I could pay it off, but it would be dumb because my income exceeds my debt. What type of assets do you have? Like when you say you got assets. Whew, this. How's that wild, bro? Cash, Bitcoin, Rolex trading account. Yeah, I need to start making some bread. Just give it some time. Roth. I got my Roth IRA too. That boy is maxed out. Best believe. Two full-time jobs for a year and a half. Honestly, bro, like I think at least when I was working at Chipotle, I think that me working one job at Chipotle was better than having two different jobs because I would get overtime. Where do you work? I work 2 full-time CPA jobs, work from home. That's crazy. I see. See, like the thing is, bro, I don't need to be taking the first trade. I need to be waiting for the SMT at the lows. And then the displacement up higher, like this is a good trade. If I got stopped out on this trade, like I don't care. But that first trade, not good at all. Because now we have all this low resistance liquidity. That's all we were building up. Money is easy to get, but it's hard to multiply. Yeah. I don't know, especially in trading in like entrepreneurship, bro. Like you gotta be able to work when the money's not there. You gotta be willing to put in work even though you're not making anything, and it's kind of scary. Like with trading, I'm kidding, dog. I figured you would laugh. I literally did not laugh at all. So at Lifetime, bro. Look at the reel I sent you. I think I'm good. At Lifetime, so if you get a straight membership, I'm pretty sure it's like $100 a month or like $70 a month. But if you have a family plan, it lowers the price of everyone on that plan. So I'm on my friend's family plan, and there's like 6 people on there. So the price of each one's membership is like $30 a month, but now it's gonna be $25 a month instead of $70 a month. Trading full time is not scary. You could quit at any time and get a job. Bro, what? That'd be trading full time is you can quit at any what that's the thing though. Like I'm not gonna quit. And like obviously the safe route, easy route would be to like would have been for me to keep my job. So it is scary. How is it not scary making $0 a month? I mean, I guess I do live with my dad. I live with my parents. So, I'm blessed. You need money to trade and live. I just lost half my net worth. Dang, you're still in demo? Yeah. What's wrong about that? Bro, I remember you. I remember you. What's wrong with being in demo, bro? Hold up. I kind of want to just like look at stocks and just like kind of just see, you know. So y'all know Berkshire Hathaway. That's right. This is like Warren Buffett's. That's crazy. Nothing just been going out for months now. Yeah, me too, brother. Brother. Bro, oh my gosh. This is a nice chart. So ADD is like pretty much either up or down, right? Netflix. Ooh, this chart is, bro. This is a. I mean, obviously you probably are going to buy right here. Do we hit that? Do we tick that? Like, position right here would be crazy. Like, that's why, like, trading with price action is so key. Because literally transfers, it transfers to literally anything. What's Bitcoin all-time high? 60,000? 68,000? Dang, Bitcoin has been ripping. Plus $5,000 this week. I was actually like, bro, I was like looking at Bitcoin because like, bro, when it was at like here, I was like, this would be decent to buy. Uber? Bro, why Uber going crazy? Like there's not structure here. Ooh, on ExxonMobil there's structure. We just swept internal. We're relative to all-time highs though. Daily. Ooh, this would have been a nice entry. Good entry. Take me up after we just swept internal. Enter off that. You put your stop like within there. Rivian. Decent short? I hope not, bro. Bro, what happened to Rivian is... Oh my gosh. Negative? I don't even know why I have that. PayPal fell off. Uh, uh. Bro, this like funding account wants me to be the... Who do you think has the best trading shift? What do you mean? Best trading shift? What is that? Oh, like trading time? Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I really like Mountain Time. I really like Mountain Time. I wake up. Hello, bro. I'm from Brazil. I'm buying S&P 500. I'm in a buy too. I really like. Yours is the best. I couldn't tell you. I like your channel. I appreciate it, bro. I think that the it's hard for me to say because I like waking up early. Like I go to the gym at 4 a.m. That's when I wake up. So I go to the gym, come back, and then like I'm able to hoop, go in the sauna after a workout, and then come back, and then I can like I haven't been reading that much recently. I'm just trying to like get after it in the market, but then I like shower, eat, then look at the markets. Or no, I eat after I look at the market. Then I look at the market, see if there's like a pre-market play or anything like that, and then that's when I kind of hop on live at like it's like 7 o'clock my time. I think I really like I got a routine that's pretty good. But like Eastern time, opening up at 9:30. I feel like that's too long. Like those 2 hours that I'd be missing, or that I would be adding to my routine. I don't know what I would do. I like Eastern time. Go to bed at 10ish. Wake up 5:30, gym and prepare for trade until 9. Yeah. Also, like it's only 10 o'clock here, so that gives me also like the rest of the day. But I go to bed pretty early. I go to bed at like 8, so I mean I feel like it would be the same routine. All I'm doing is just changing when I'm going to bed. Like if I was Eastern time, I might be going to bed at 10, but I don't know. In fact, it's barely 9:07 here and I'm done. That's nice. That's nice because when I used to trade. Or I keep on saying like when I used to trade a lot. Pacific is cool, but I like to go gym before trading. Bro, you still can. You just gotta wake up early. Cause I'm pretty sure Arizona's 1 hour behind me. Or Arizona never switches their clocks. So I think they might listen. Yeah, Arizona has the same. Like Arizona would be cool. I'm like 2 hour workout. Usually I work out for like an hour 15 to an hour and a half, and then I play basketball for like maybe 10 minutes. But I don't always play basketball. Then I go in the sauna. I'll wake up at 3:30 a.m. to go to the gym at 4 when I went to the gym before trading. I was real hustle. Bro, you wake up at 3:30 to go to the gym at 4? Is the gym that far away from you? Because I wake up at like 3:55. I wake up at like 3:50 to go to the gym at 4. Because the gym's literally like right next to me. I could walk to the gym. It was so nice. You gotta be going to bed hecka early and find the urge to stay in bed. Bro, that that waking up is it's insane. I just bro, I don't use caffeine. I don't like caffeine. Yeah, that's so true, bro. Once you get up and once you get out of the bed, that's why I want to start using my alarm like a little farther away, so that I have to wake up. But I feel like that wouldn't really work because I would just like turn it off and then hop right back into bed. NQ's still good on the upside. ES really isn't having as strong as a move. Ooh. I mean, I guess if this trade doesn't work out, and NQ ends up taking buy side, what I could have journaled, or what I could journal, is that SMT NQ is stronger. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Colorado. Like out just outside like Boulder and Denver. I'll show you. I live in Westminster. I'm down 3% on my funded. Is that bad? I would say I more live in Brookfield. Yeah, you got the mountains in there. That's Denver. Are you trying to rush it? I'm gonna look at Top Step right now. I don't think I'm ready for funded though. I don't want to rush it. Whoa, whoa! I ain't trying to leak everything, y'all. Hold up. I gotta do this. I gotta do this off screen. Bro, how's my... Ain't no way my username's already taken. So you tell me there's another SUT trades out there? Alright, I just signed up for... This week price action messed up though. Bro, you gotta realize that I might start a funded account when price action is like valid. When we're in good conditions, good market conditions. We're not in the best market conditions for what I trade off of. How much was your funded firm deal? I heard they pay crazy good. Oh, they haven't. It would be based off a commission. So like they would pay me based off commission, I guess. And it's actually like, it wasn't bad because like I would be able to like give away funded accounts, which wouldn't be a bad thing. Well, actually, like, and they donate 10% of their profits to like St. Jude's Hospital, which I thought was pretty cool. There's two such trades on Instagram. Yeah, they have me blocked. I can't look at it. It's like Sut Raids. It's not. Bro, what? What in the world? Yeah, look at this. Or don't you have 2 IG accounts or something? I only have 1 account. Woohoo! Bro, y'all, low key, I've lost like 18 pounds. I've lost 18 pounds since I don't know. All I remember was going to Hawaii, and they said my ass was like 192 when I went on the scale for the helicopter, and now I'm like 174. You in? Yeah, I'm in a long position, which looks like we're. Yeah, you were thick. Pause. Let's look at such trades. I mean, let's just look at like, I was looking at this and I was like, dang. This video, just like, look at my face. I feel like you can tell, can't, like, just at least a little bit. Can you tell? Or am I hyping myself up for no reason? Yeah, I swept lows. I'm gonna wait till PM to see if we get the unicorn set up because we can yeah. It's not looking good on ES right now. Bro. This is it says 1 month ago, January 8th. That's like a month and a half ago too. That's crazy. I feel like it's kind of annoying if you guys follow me that I feel like I post a lot. Like even here, I don't know. Maybe I'm just. Do I ever go full screen? This isn't a terrible trade. I actually don't despise. This isn't. I want to look at all these lines on the chart though. Probably got stopped out if we're gonna be honest. But like when I would catch like I would try to catch like 4-point moves. Got stopped. I'm like regretting my life decisions right here. Like this is 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. I don't know. It says December 6th. Yeah, almost 3 months ago. And the fact that I'm able to see this much improvement just within 3 months. Sold. Are you natty? I'm not. I take serotonin. Wait, I have why does it say? How does this in my? How did that get added to my activated? Serotonin? Yeah, I take estrogen. How did that get added to my activated series? That's kind of annoying. Playlist. Edited. But all I'm saying, ever since I've done activated, bro, I've seen results. Yeah, I'm probably getting stopped out. Oh, I got stopped. My 61. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, we're actually about to take sell side. Yeah, that I I should not have longed here, because we're so close to sell side here that we're gonna draw to this before then taking out this. It's not a bad idea wanting to take this, but yeah, I'm gonna journal that as well. Bro, what am I listening to? Busy. Did you see the video of ICT taking 5 losing trades in a row and saying that the market makers were hunting his stops? I didn't, but I mean, part of the game, bro. You're gonna get stopped out. And I'm going to journal this. One note. Insert. Keep it. It was the creator of ICT though, Michael. Yeah, Michael. I don't know his last name. Michael Douglas. Something like that. I then looked to re-enter after we ended up forming SMT and all of the generated buy side was looking appealing. This is not a good trade, comma. I am not taking good trades as of right now, which is fine to do on demo, but I need to straighten up when straighten up. Journaling is overrated. You are tweaking, my guy. How am I supposed to learn if I'm not? I think like journaling's like when you're not journaling, bro, you're not really improving. Like yeah, you can say that, oh, I could have done this, but you don't, for me, I don't really drill it into my head until I actually write it down, type it out to myself. Because if like say I know I made that mistake, I tell myself I made that mistake. I made that mistake and I knew that. But if I don't actually journal it, then also what can I do? I have a whole log, and I hope a whole log of trades. What have you gained from your last 3 journal entries? Knowledge. Like now I have all these trades. You disregarded your checklist today. I did not. I honestly don't really need a checklist. I don't think a checklist will really be sustainable for me, honestly. Well, now I know that. What did I do? I disregarded the higher time frame draw. I was too zoomed in. I was looking at this internal. So now I have a trade to show me that what did I do wrong? I mean, you can't say incorrect or correct because everything's subjective within this game. It's an art. So, correct or incorrect is not the right mindset because you disregarded your higher time frame draw, which you said you needed to have to trade. I never said I needed to have. I just said I have time frame alignment, which is. I mean, I guess now we're probably gonna draw towards buy side, which would be my guess if we get displacement up higher. But this wasn't really a good trade. Yeah. I mean, it's because I need a. Maybe I am ready for a live account. Maybe I should go on a live account because kind of like what I'm doing right now is like I'm on a demo account, so I want to have as much data as I can get. So right now I'm like, yo, let's go into a trade. I mean, that's kind of like my mindset I had like over the last 2 days, and it's kind of switching. Because like if I'm on a live account, I'm not taking that trade. Just because like I'm only gonna take A plus setups on a live account, but I'm a demo account, so I have that freedom to take more trades, journal more trades, gather more data because this is good now. This is good now, because say I didn't take that trade. Now I'm learning now because like if I don't journal it, I'm not gonna learn it. I'm not gonna ingrain it in my brain. So I mean, I guess I gotta get real with myself here, and that's what I'm going to go over with my trading transformation later today. Okay, you just said I'm going to take A plus setup on a live account, so do that. Don't just say it, do it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Cause, like realistically, bro, take A plus setups on a live account, and then occasional trade I can like backtest on demo account. Just so I have like a little bit of skin in the game. Yeah, you're on the right path. It's up to you just how fast. Yeah, bro, just trade one micro. Yeah, one micro on NQ, two on ES. A plus setup's the only way. Okay, okay. Yeah, that might be a decent. Have A plus setups taking only A plus setups on the demo, on the live account, and then kind of just back testing price action, gaining confidence with my draw on a live account. Define A plus setup, trade it, and do nothing else equals a legit system. Yeah. A plus setup for me. Alright, let me finish this journal entry before I. This is not a good trade. I'm not taking good trades as of right now, which is fine. And you're strict enough. Yeah, you can backtest and practice all day, but it doesn't change anything about the A plus setup. I've been taking B minus setups because of the crazy divergence. Yeah, yeah. Because let me log into Tradeovate because I do have this live account. I used to have straight A's, and then up until like English, I would always have a B. And then high school was a little bit different. Bro, grades are so stupid. Like it pretty much depends on your teacher. I cheated in college and high school. I never really during COVID, during quarantine, bro. I was on like FaceTime with my friends during tests. So easy to cheat. I know, during COVID, they would have them in like they would randomize the order so like you couldn't cheat, but then you would just say like, go to this question. I mean, there's no way you can stop it. There's no way you can stop it, because like you can't force kids to have their camera on. I'll be right back. And I was accounting, so like, who cares? It was prime pre-med. If I was like pre-med, that's one thing. SPY is identical to yesterday. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, A plus setups on the live account. So how do I, is there a way to have, I'm trying to figure this out. Woo! Alright. Most people talk well about A plus setups, but they don't even know how to define it, nor do they take the trade when it comes. Last A plus setup I saw was Tuesday. 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I mean, I can tell you, I'll be looking for my A plus setup. If we go to this, would be all of these, all these lining up. But realistically, it would be all this. That would be my A plus setup. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking those on the live account. It when I encounter one. We have to hunt A plus setups. Sir. Yes, sir. I mean, because just where I'm at, I think that this is fair, this is valid, because like I don't have too much experience within the market, so like why not paper trade it? Why not paper trade it? Why not try it out? Why not test it just to see? You know, like it's not gonna hurt me to take a paper trade. It is gonna hurt me to take that trade on a live account. All right, sure. No, what would I do better? I was unaware of the higher time frame draw. We clearly wanted to head lower to take out the sell side, but we never really generated a setup for that. We wanted to take out these lows before then heading higher. remember, why does the market need to move there, and what must we do before then going there? We will probably revisit those highs at some point in time, but time and price was not aligned on this entry. Be a little more patient. I don't necessarily need to be in a trade on the demo account. It is nice to backtest or forward test price, which I think is great, but don't take every little single trade that appears and shows up. That will trying to test C plus setups, basically saying, let me see if I can be lucky. Yeah, it's for me it's trying to build my conviction within the market, and like I just fail to see a higher time frame draw, and that's something that I agree with that too. But like you say, you trade like low conviction setups. If you have low conviction, you put on lower size. Would that be like a C setup for you, or would that be like lower quality in your sense? How do you show up every day? Like I miss some days, but I just keep doing this daily. I would say, I don't know, doing something I want to do. Like I truly want to do this, so I'm not doing anything that's forced. And plus, like, I don't know, like I guarantee you I won't ever not show up in the future too. Yeah, you don't want it as bad as you think you do, 100%. Because like if you really want it, bro, you're able to. Oh, did I also take the setup during lunch? I failed to really look at time. When did I enter? I took a trade entering lunch hour. Yeah, that's something else. I traded heading into lunch hour. I failed to realize the time when I was taking the trade. PA isn't as favorable with my models during lunch, so I need to be more aware of this heading into the future. Don't trade lunch. I'll put that on my rules checklist. Yeah. trade during lunch. I'm gonna have like a do not. Do not trade during lunch. Oops. If it is an A plus setup, then take it on the live account. If it is anything other than that, take it on the demo to build your conviction. Appreciate it, man. You are putting in the work consistently. Thank you, bro. How did everyone finish for the day? This is good stuff. Still in. These rules are narrative based, so they're gonna be hard to enforce. Why don't you only want to practice? Why don't you only want to practice taking good setups? For me, if I'm trading on the demo, I just want to learn as much as I can. And I don't know, bro, cause like my mindset like 2 weeks ago or like even like a week ago was like we're not trading even on a demo account. We're not gonna even build bad habits. But I think demo has good value in it is demo to where I am able to take different type of trades. To where I don't think it's necessarily bad for me to be taking non high quality setups on the demo account. You know? Wait. Was I I was doing live chat. Bro, have you finished all the concepts which is to be learned? No. There's so many concepts to learn, and I don't think that you should know every single concept out there. That'll mess with you, and I feel like learning more and trying to learn more, it can also be detrimental to your trading, and can also hurt you, because if you're constantly trying to learn instead of refining what you have, then I feel like it gets kind of dangerous. My chat is bugging. It's not showing everything. We're missing the point. The point is can you accurately even define what A plus versus B minus setup is? Yeah, I could. Because for me, like an A plus setup is necessarily all these. Pretty much all these what I look for in time frame, and then maybe like a B minus setup would be like maybe we're missing the fair value gap entry, but I'm still gonna take it because I'm confident that we have all of these showing up to where I don't necessarily need the fair value gap entry, but that makes it a little less A plus. That doesn't make that makes it like not A plus. What if you think it's an A plus setup, but you take 100 of those trades and you lose money? Then you need to get a new model. The key is to test A plus setups to see if they're actually A plus. A plus setups equals profit. Yeah. I think I'm definitely gonna get FX replay, and I definitely need to start back testing more. You don't have data that those A plus setups will be profitable. It's just a theory. Well, I do because my setups are kind of from like other people's models and what they have in the past. I find it really hard to backtest because news is hard. Yeah. With your strategy, it probably would be hard, but I trade based on price action, so I'm gonna get FX replay today, and I'm not gonna like even like try to watch any type or study. I'm just gonna backtest. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna see what do I need to add, what do I need to check, what do I need to like look for. My models okay. Don't trade lunch. What else could I do better? What I will do better. I can't think. That's pretty much all I did. But I'm heading out, boys. Have a great day. Have a good one, bro. Have a great rest of your evening. I'm trying to find that other trade I had. I'm gonna pull it up. Where was it? It was here. I I'm not gonna trade on my live account though. I'm not gonna trade on my live account until I get better conviction and I have more data. But in the future, that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I'm not gonna trade on my live account. I think that's honestly stupid. Bro, the things are everything like Silver Bullet. You can find any setup mostly. Bro, the timings are anything. Like Silver Bullet. You can find any setup mostly. Honestly, yeah. Time and price. If you align those two, like it's one thing to have price, but if you align time and price, then that's when you get your best trades. Got one out, back to one out. Pictures from file. Oops. Oops. I took one other trade here pre-market. I ended up getting stopped out at break even. Honestly, wasn't horrible management with this position and protecting myself wasn't a bad thing. I entered originally trying to buy the stops, comma, but this isn't a good practice and model for me to be trading right now. No need for me to try and bottom tick the market or try to catch 100% of the move. Although we did end up going a little bit higher, comma, this is not good practice for me. If I am trading turtle soup, comma, I need to have a clear draw on liquidity. I never had a clear draw with this trade. We just wanted to go to sell side here, and there really isn't enough structure. What I will do better in the future. I will wait for more structure, and I will only be taking turtle soup entries when I have a clear and confident draw on liquidity. If it is not clear, then don't trade it. I don't need. Stop trying to bottom tick. I don't need to be trying to take these trades. And even though I am on the demo, I don't think I really need to be taking these unless draw liquidity is very clear. There was no SMT to take a trade off of a turtle soup. You need an SMT. So why am I trading this model without a key component to it? How will you ensure all these journal sentences will actually translate in action? That's a good question. I would say maybe if I did add them to a Google Doc and read, I think I might do that. Add like all the mistakes that I have gone through. Like I think I should start going through all these mistakes and then say, are these still happening? Like let's see. I'll do better. Fair market wasn't that strong. I would like to see bigger displacement. Okay, I've got better at this. That's an improvement. We just swept the internal. Possibly wait to see if reaction off that or if we continue bearish. Okay, get better at that. The 5-minute imbalance we had marked out, we were using as confluence, wasn't being respected. I had a confluence, so I failed to see that so off this entry, I took it off of like a 5-minute that's not gonna trade. I should have waited for ES to draw towards those 6 equal highs. So I should have paid more attention to ES. How do I get better at this? Yes. I could have waited for SM2, SMT or other confluences. How I got better at this? Not really. Waiting for other confluences. So boom. Maybe add this to what I need to get better at. What I could have done better. Wait and see if price is actually going to react. So wait to see if price is actually going to react and then take a trade. Have I got better at this? Yes. TPs are too close. Have I gotten better at this? Yes. Bing. Don't really need to worry about that. Risk less. Have I been risking less? No. Today I had 3 contracts on NQ. So have I got better at that? No. I'll put this on my trading list. Take the second entry. Please, we don't need to be trading the first one. Have I got better at this? Have I been doing this? No. Maybe I could. Maybe I'm not. I don't really think that's anything I really need to worry about. What I could have done better. Please start risking accurately. Have I got better at this? No. So it seems like, I mean, I guess I have been, but the trade earlier, I don't know why I had so many contracts on NQ earlier, but I guess risking accurately, boom, I can put that on there. What could I have done better? Wait for a higher low to be taken. Oh, I didn't do this today. I didn't wait for this. No liquidity got swept. So boom, put this on there. Wait for a second entry on this play. Again, repeating things, wait for a second entry. Notice that ES and NQ are doing 2 of the things, and yeah, I did good at this yesterday. Move my stop to the previous high instead of putting it at break even. Okay, I think this was more of this trade. I put my stop at break even and it actually helped me today. So I'm not gonna have this. Target the previous low. Have I get better at this? Yes. Clear targets, better targets. Entry was a little bit too early. I should have waited for confirmation for a better entry. Have I got better at this? No. I took an early entry 2 times today. We already took sell side. We just haven't had it on ES. This was a flawed trade because we already took that low. So it sounds like I can get better at taking second entries instead of the first ones. Risk less. I am still risking way too much. I had 3 contracts in total on this entry, and it was not a good trade. I should only add if I am very, very confident, and sizing should be a bigger priority in my journey. What I did good, not much on this trade except I became defensive. I started to I moved my stop loss up and protected my capital got it. That's really all I got. Okay. That wasn't a bad trade. That would have been a bad trade. Alright, anyways, I'm going to head out of here. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. For me, bro, it was just we're so okay. So we're stuck in this range, and I know that. For me, it's like not being able to adapt my bias. I'm gonna put that on my. I would have liked to be more adaptive today. My bias going of the day. Wasn't adaptable. So I was kind of bullish, but we were showing us that we really didn't want to head high, and we got big displacement lower, and I'm not even paying attention to that. I'm still trying to be bullish here. But we wanted to draw here before then we go there. But yeah, that's something I need to get better at. God. This sort of self-reflection plus true action steps is how one succeeds in any area of life. It's not promoted normal society, which is why most people are average. Instead, they just say, yeah, like being able to like actually critique your behavior is like a key component into learning, because like how fast am I able to change my behavior when I keep on when I keep on making the same mistakes over and over in trading? How fast am I able to change that? You already have the hard work thing down, but the next thing is 100%. I totally agree. I think yeah, being able to adapt and change to my mistakes faster will provide necessarily faster results, because like you can sit there over and over again, make the same mistakes over and over and over again, but you'll never grow. Yeah, hard work times smart work equals. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. That's cool. That's perfect. But anyways, I'm gonna head out of here. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I appreciate you guys. You're gonna be a savage in your 20s if you maintain this. Hey, I appreciate you. But anyways.